Hello everybody, my name is Robin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to be sharing with you my very first time that I'm coming to the Banff Springs Hotel. So I know that this hotel has a reputation for being very expensive, but very beautiful with lots of things to do. I've lived here for 14 years. I've come to Banff almost every other weekend, and I've literally never gone to the Banff Springs Hotel. So I am really excited. I'm going to be getting a massage. I'm going to be using their hot tub, their spa, their pools. I might have high tea, and I'm going to walk around and check the place out. So if you've always been curious about what there is to do at the Banff Springs Hotel, you don't necessarily have to stay there to enjoy the facilities. So I'm going to give you a little tour the best that I can. I'm not spending the night there, so there's no room tours, unfortunately, for that, but hopefully I can show you around the rest of the facilities. So if you're ever interested in making this part of your itinerary, if you're in Banff, we'll see how it goes and if it's worth all the hype. I mean, just even walking through the lobby, this exudes like elegance and that incredible wow factor. Like, you can smell how expensive this place is, but my girlfriend literally got her hair done here. She has long hair and it cost her only $190 to get highlights. Cheaper than any little salon I go to in Calgary, but yeah, this place is next level. This is just for us to eat while we wait for our massage. Wow, this is pretty awesome. Muffins? I'm gonna have one of those. From 1 out of 10? I did not even know that there was like an Olympic-sized pool at this place. Now I understand why the Banff Springs Hotel is worth about $700 a night, because you get access to all this incredible stuff, all these wonderful amenities that you just really would never find in another hotel. I just want to pop in here too. You know, it's like moments like this that make me feel so grateful that I live in Alberta. And I know that I love sharing about the places I go to, the things that I do, but it is honestly such a privilege to be able to live here and call this place home, and to have the opportunities to do these kinds of things. You know, coming from Nicaragua, like I couldn't even, like, it's a beautiful country and I'm very proud to be from there and it's made me who I am. But wow, to just be here, be in good health, breathing this fresh mountain air, being out here with my girlfriend, having literally a day of luxury, something that, you know, like I'm very lucky and I'm very fortunate, and it's moments like these that I'm just so thankful and so grateful.